भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Yoga does not transform the way we see things, it transforms the person who sees. BKS Iyengar.
Good morning. My name is Riddhi Jain of class 6B. I am presenting the speech on yoga. Yoga is an Asian activity and discipline. It is related to achieving physical, mental and spiritual health. It includes various postures, chants, mantras and meditation. It also includes breathing exercise. It helps to relax and calm the mind and soul. It helps to reduce the daily stress level and live a healthier life. It ensures that the body functions properly and is illness free. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Siddharth Jain of class 6B, will give a speech on yoga. Yoga is an art of discipline which originated in India about 6,000 years ago. Yoga is an ancient practice for healthy mind and body. It is a form of exercise and meditation which also helps you making your life better. The postures and the poses of yoga do not only benefit the physical body but also enhance the spiritual energy. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you 4 parts of yoga. The 4 parts of yoga are Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga and Jnana Yoga. These parts are not watertight and a combination of some or all used by yogis. Ultimately, the result of all parts will be seen purification and in the mind and impurities like anger, desire and ego. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम सुजिमधुबन है। आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष एक छोटी सी हिंदी की कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। योग करें हम योग करें, दूर सभी हम रोग करें। वरदान मिला जो हमको, हम उसका उपयोग करें। तन मन स्वस्थ बनाता है, आलस दूर भगाता है। सदा सुखी वह रहता है जो इसको अपनाता है। धन्यवाद।
Now the students will enlighten you with the miraculous benefits of various yogic asanas.
Good morning everyone. I will be performing Gomukhasana. Gomukhasana removes pain and stiffness in the hip joints. With the position of the arms, it relaxes the shoulder and the neck muscles. It also strengthens our back muscles.
6B. Today I am sharing you how to do Chakra Asana. First we have to lay on the ground. Fold your hands and your palms on the ground. And also fold your legs. Then move your body upward and stretch like this and make an arc. Breathe for few seconds and slowly come down. This helps to make our spine flexible and strong. So do this asana 5 times daily. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Riddhi Jain of class 6B. Today I am showing a yoga asana called Vriksha Asana. The benefit of this asana are improve blood circulation, improve brain function, straight spine cord, reduce obesity and gas. Now I am show how to do this asana. First we have to stand straight, stretch your hand, put your toe on thigh. Wait for 2-3 minutes. Remain 2-3 minutes, slowly come down. Repeat this asana with other leg. Thank you. Good morning. I am Anika Jain of class 6B. I am showing you how to do Padma Asana. First we have to sit like this and then keep our right leg on our left thigh and our left leg on our right thigh and make the Dhyan Mudra. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Do this asana 5 times daily. It helps to keep our lungs and stretches our leg muscles. Thank you and hope you enjoyed it.
Good morning everyone. I am Amisha Gupta of class 6B. Today I will tell you how to do Tadasana. First, I will tell some benefits of it. The first benefit is that it helps you in maintaining your posture and helps you in balancing by making your spine more agile. Second, it helps you in increasing your flexibility of your ankles, thighs and joints. Third, it helps you in gaining control over your muscular movements. Now, I will tell you how to do Tadasana. First, stand on the ground barefoot, then take your hands, stretch your hands above your head. Stretch it as high as you can. Hold it for 30 seconds and then come down gradually. This is how you do Tadasana. Thank you.
Surya Namaskar, also known as the ultimate asana, is a combination of 8 asanas. Some benefits of Surya Namaskar: it helps to strengthen your backbone and muscles. It increases your height and makes your body flexible. Now I am showing you how to do Surya Namaskar.
कृपया प्रार्थना की स्थिति धारण करें। ओम भगवते नमः। ओम सरस्वते नमः। ओम पृथिव्यां नमः। ओम मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई
पढ़ाई की